Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Nissan Xterra. Guys might remember this one. I did the hoses on this one that were just crumbling apart, so we got the updated part for it. There's that again. So we're doing some cam sensors. We got your driver's side, we got your passenger side. Not too difficult to get to. Got to kind of lay on the back of the engine, and all you need is a 10 with a wrench, or 10 with a socket. Damn, 10 and a ratchet. Jesus. So here's what the connectors look like. These are the only really fun parts, especially if they've never been off before. This little tab right here, once the sensor is on, it's pushed all the way out. So you have to push it all the way down, and then it's supposed to release it from the connector. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. What I usually do is take the sensor out with it attached, and then you can get more finagling room, especially for the other side over there. But this one right here wasn't that bad. This one came out pretty easy. Passenger side did not, so I had to use some brake cleaner, spray it around here in order to get any dirt that was in there to stop it from releasing, but was able to come out with no problem. Also, make sure when you put it back in, lubricate these little O-rings, so that way when it goes in, you hear it goes pop, pops right in. Got a tight seal, finger tighten it up with your 10, and then ratchet it on. Other than that, it is not that big of an issue. This was for a P0340 code, intermittent stalling, would happen every once in a while. So we got both cam sensors in, and Hitachi is the OEM brand. So any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.